Hello friends, my name is Afrida Taslima Arya. I am 8 years old. I read in class 3. The name of my school is Shohid Biutam Lieutenant Honor Girls College. My daily life. Daily life means the total activities of the day of a person from morning till night. I am a student. I have a daily life. I get up early in the morning. Then I say my prayers. I take my breakfast. Then I start for school. In the school, I attend all classes and listen to the teachers attentively. My school breaks up at 11:30 a.m. After returning home, I take lunch at 1:30 p.m. After I take rest and go to field to play in the evening. I study from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. After taking my dinner, I watch TV and go to bed at 10 p.m. I follow my daily routine to be successful in life. Thank you.